This is the black oxide Leatherman Surge. Black oxide means that it's very matted looking, not as shiny, which is good for military and police use, and easy maintenance. It includes 2 bit drivers, one big, one small, a reversible bit driver with bit, and a can bottle opener. It has needle nose pliers, regular pliers, hard wire cutter stripper, stranded wire cutter. It also has a ruler that runs on the inside of the handle here. The outside blades for easy access include a knife, a serrated blade, a saw blade, which can be changed out for the file, also included, and a large pair of scissors. The black oxide is very reliable. However, we don't recommend using the laser engraving on these tools since it will be muted and hard to see. You're better off going with the stainless tools or the tools with colorful handles and our blades. Just check the website for more details.